and minimize this request notification permission. Here I'll create one more function for getting device token. If you are following my videos and code, then I'm already getting here device token, but I want to keep all those things which is notification related in one file. That is why I will write code for getting device token in notification services.dart file. So let's remove this from here, and instead of that I'll create here one future function, and it will return string. Let's name get device token. It will be async kind of function. We need to provide some string for returning. So here I'll create one string variable by the name token, and it will be await. It will be nullable, and finally I'm returning device token. So now in our sign in screen I will call this method get device token. Here inside this init state function I will call get device token function. So notification services dot get device token, and it is a future function, so I'll create here then callback. Let's print the value of this device token. Why this device token is required? Because Firebase sends notification with the help of device token and not with the help of user ID password. So every device has unique device token. So on behalf of that, Firebase used to send notification. That is why it is necessary to get device token in respect of getting notification from Firebase services. Now let's run the application and check whether we are getting our device token or not. So as you can see here, we are getting our device token. I'll copy this device token and we'll move our Firebase console and we'll check whether we are receiving notification or not. So here this is Firebase database. Let's go to messaging. Create first campaign, Firebase notification message, create, enter title here, type here notification title, and click on this send message. Add your device token here, select this, test, click on next, select your device. Mine is Android. Next, review, and publish. So after sending that notification, you must be receiving this broadcast received for message. It means that and still we are not receiving notifications. So the thing is that we need to do several changes in our code, then we will be able to receive a notification, which we will see in another video. So bye for now.